Well, good day. Exciting day today. I've just received my replacement muffler for the RAM. I've purchased a RAM 1500 Sports Muffler from Kuluin Mufflers in Queensland. So I'm just going to go through and replace it. I've just got the car sort of backed up on the gutter. Haven't really got a ramp or anything, so hopefully I can get underneath and replace it myself. But let's see how we go. As you can see from the sticker, it's a stainless steel muffler, so it should last a lot longer than the original muffler that came with the RAM. So I've just reversed the RAM up onto the gutter here. Hopefully it'll lift it high enough for me to get underneath and get access to the old muffler. I'll just let you have a listen to what the standard muffler sounds like before we replace it. And just under the car here now, and as you can see, the original muffler is certainly a lot longer than the new Sports Muffler. You can do a full muffler replacement with pipes and everything, but I've taken this option just to replace this muffler section. First thing I've got to do is loosen off the clamps from the original muffler. Apparently they do seize up a little bit, so there we go. Might have to use some lubricant. Okay, I've got the two tailpipes out. What I've had to do is get the large tailpipe and totally disconnect it to get enough leverage to remove it from the back of the muffler. The smaller pipe on this side, it wasn't as bad to twist and turn after loosening the bolts to remove it from the back of the muffler, but this big puppy over here on the other side, it was a bit of a challenge, but I removed the hanging rubbers and twisted it and it's popped out nicely. So I'm now just working on the actual muffler itself to remove the back of it off the stringers, and then I'll pull it off the engine pipe. So here we go, going good. Success. Got the original muffler now out. It's doable. A little bit of sweat, nice cool day. What want to do on a hot day. So you comparing the new Kuluin Sports Muffler to the old original standard muffler, you can see why the V8 sound may be a little bit increased due to the smaller muffler. Something to note, it does come with all its brackets, hangers. We need to take these rubbers off and replace and put on the new one. And you got the brackets, so it's all just fit in. So basically I just lubricated, loosened, tapped it with a mallet just to break the seals. I've had to remove the two tailpipes out the back, and then I've just basically pulled the muffler out. So I took it off the stringers just to loosen it, so it was a fairly easy process. I'll stick the new one back in and we'll start her up and see how she sounds. Going good. Okay, so I've just fitted the muffler. It's just hanging on the stringers. Looks a lot smaller and shinier. So I just attach these tailpipes now and do up the brackets. So there's the original strings up there. It fits quite nice up here. Something to note while you're under a RAM, for those who've never been under one, there is the drive shaft, tail shaft. Look at the size of it. You've also got your chassis here. They talk about a RAM 1500's a truck. When you check out the subframe under a RAM, you understand why they say these things. There's also the rear suspension with the airbags in it back there. But yeah, they are built strong, these things. Like I say, that's your chassis. She's a real truck, this thing. And there you have it. One brand new Kuluin RAM 1500 Sports Muffler. That's basically take off the old one, strap on this one. Fits perfect. Let's see how this bad boy sounds. It's going to be good. Alrighty, job done. Let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Overall, it took about an hour and a half, so it wasn't too bad. The hardest thing is just getting the old tailpipes off and removing it from the muffler. But once that was done, the new muffler went on in no time. So let's start her up. So there you have it. Hopefully the GoPro picked up the deep sound it's now got. But yeah, she's a massive improvement. Massive improvement. So totally recommend this one. The boys on the RAM Facebook page recommended Kuluin to us, and I thought I'd give them a go. The alternative, of course, replace the whole exhaust system, but I just wanted to do the muffler for now. We'll see how she goes inside the cab. Apparently it doesn't drum, but we'll see how she goes when she's got the caravan on it. But yeah, overall, easy job. Total cost was $480, $30 delivery to New South Wales from Queensland. So it took under a week to get here during this interesting COVID time. So yep, really good. I rang up Kuluin in Queensland, spoke to Sam. He had one in stock, shipped it out, got it fitted, bloody happy.